This video demonstrates how to use the robot trajectory replay feature. First, let's move on to programming and create a new program. To use trajectory replay, we first need to record the starting point of the trajectory. We first designate test 1 as the starting point for our trajectory. Next, click the TPD button below the model to open the trajectory replay settings menu. We can enter the name of the track we want to create here. We enter test 1. In the period option, you can determine the interval at which we record the robot's position. For example, select interval means recording the position every 2 milliseconds. The essence of trajectory reconstruction lies in continuously recording the robot's position changes at very short time intervals to connect them into a coherent trajectory. After setting the name and interval, we can start recording the track. Before starting the recording, click the icon to switch to drag mode. At this point, the robot enters its standard drag mode. Please ensure the robot's load settings are correct at this time. Otherwise, the robot may move up and down on its own. Then we click Start Recording and drag the robot. The robot will record point data at preset intervals during the process. After dragging is complete, at this point, the trajectory recording is finished. We can edit the trajectory on the right side of the TPD menu. You can find the track we just recorded, track 1, in the drop-down menu and the track name. Click to retrieve it. The specific number of positions will appear in the start directory and stop directory. A total of 4,189 points can be seen. You can see a red trail appearing in the 3D model. This is the trail we just dragged. We can drag the progress bar to watch and trim points from the beginning or end. If there are tracks you no longer need or tracks with incorrect records, you can click delete below. Next, we click on the trajectory in the motion commands. Ensure the robot moves to the starting point first, then load the trajectory before beginning the replay. We sequentially select the trajectory we just recorded in both trajectory loading and trajectory replay. Switch to automatic mode and run the program. You can see that the robot first returned to the starting point, then repeated the movement along the path we just dragged once. That concludes our explanation of trajectory replay. Thank you for watching.